Hi, have you dreamed of living in a community that offers a true sense of neighborhood in an amazing location that's literally a minute from anything you can want shopping and dining wise? Well, look no further. No need to pinch yourself. This is not a dream. This is real. This is your opportunity to have a great home in the Spectrum at Val Vista community in the heart of Gilbert, just off of Val Vista and Williamsfield. This home offers 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms with a huge loft. Let's go check it out. This awesome home is the opportunity you've been waiting for, featuring the hard-to-find primary ensuite on the first floor with 3 large bedrooms and a huge loft upstairs. Lots of storage as all of the bedrooms except one have huge walk-in closets. The great room floor plan wastes no space. There's an ample-sized kitchen with island with granite tops and upgraded stainless steel appliances, including a gas range. Don't miss the huge pantry off of the laundry room for additional storage. This home offers lots of storage throughout, and even the garage has a bumped-out bonus space for added storage. You'll love the top-of-the-line new HVAC systems and newer windows and slider door. There's a radiant barrier in the attic, and all of this combines to make this home super energy efficient with low electric bills. The exterior was just painted this year, along with adding artificial turf to the rear yard. The fridge and dishwasher are also newer this year, as are the tiled guest bath shower and vanity tops in the guest and half bath. You'll enjoy the low maintenance of this yard. There is artificial turf, a fire pit with seating for those chilly winter nights. You've got key lime, regular lime, lemon, and pomegranate trees, and you got pavers along with your covered patio. This community, Spectrum at Val Vista, is truly special. You're in the heart of Gilbert, just minutes from Santan Mall, all of the shopping and dining that is offered there. Plus, there are the Spectrum shops that are connected to the community. You can actually ride your bike to all the shopping center and dining that's here. And of course, there's an A+ rated school within walking distance at Spectrum Elementary. You will absolutely love calling this home and neighborhood yours. Please feel free to call me for any additional information. My number is 480-225-5710, or you can always find me on Instagram at Sharon Sells Arizona Homes. Thanks for taking a tour with me today. Bye.